the initial question was, are consultants more important than ever? And we're saying they're very important, but has something happened? Why are we doing this? Why are we talking so much about consultants? Is there something specific to the cell and gene therapy industry? Is it something to do with biologics, or with the way companies are formed?
Can I take this and give my take?
You sure can.
So you right, the Human Genome Project was completed not all that long ago, right? Less than 25 years ago. And so you think, minus myself, for folks on the phone call, if you think about one's career trajectory, biotech started in the 80s. So really for people, particularly in the biologic space, you're looking at people who cut their teeth in the 90s and early 2000s. And they're just starting to get to the potential retirement age. And retirement in the corporate world is quite a bit earlier typically than the mandatory requirement anywhere else. And so what you're seeing now is an aging out of a very, very experienced population of pharmaceutical executives who either through mandatory retirement or early incentive retirement packages are now available. And they may not be looking for 100% of their time work, but work here and there or 2-3 days a week is what they may be looking for. And so you have this bolus of talent entering the market, and it really benefits small companies like myself. So I would sum it up as the timing is I think a major driver of this.
Excellent. Anybody else like to comment?
Yeah, I'll chime in on this one. I mean, I think, over the last 10 years, you've seen the virtual company just take over. Right? I think my last 5 jobs, I don't think I've had a real building to be in. We've either transacted with the company, we've done INDs, we've built places. Everything is virtual now, and headcount's hard. It's expensive. FTE is expensive. And I think people are trying to utilize consultants to keep the costs down, to keep the not to have brick and mortar. So I think the fact that we're becoming more and more virtual is more advantageous for the consultants. And I think the consultant role works really well, especially what Martin was saying. His firm treats them as employees. I mean, that's the best case scenario for consulting. Right?